Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over RABBIT2023. That is the name of the token, all one word. Ticker symbol is RABBIT. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. RABBIT2023. So there has been a lot of Rabbit tokens lately because Elon Musk tweeted a picture of a rabbit about 2 or 3 days ago. And I saw Rabbit Finance pump over 100% right after his tweet. Then there's been a new Rabbit Finance 2023 token come out on Pink Sale. And then now we have this token as well, Rabbit 2023, all one word. So this one just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap today, but it's actually down 10.64% right now. It's not doing so well. There is a warning too at the top of the CoinMarketCap page here. It says contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. Now that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a scam, and who knows how it doesn't specify how big they can alter the tax. Like, can they alter it 100% or 5%? Like, they don't really say, but when the dev has the ability to change things in the contract, there is always the potential of a token being sketchy and scammy. So definitely be aware of that. Thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about purchasing. And yeah, so let's get into this token here. So their official webpage, RABBIT2023.com. Their BSC scan is on CoinMarketCap along with the price chart, contract address, Medium, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub. Those are all listed now on CoinMarketCap and probably CoinGecko as well. Now, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, how you'd get this token is by simply funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and trading your BSC for the Rabbit 2023 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or their BSC scan. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, according to their BSC scan, they have 1,430 holders so far, 23,137 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 billion Rabbit tokens. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, RABBIT2023.com, it says their NFT shop is currently under construction. So there is going to be NFTs in the future here. It says RABBIT2023 is the next $1 billion plus meme coin on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, building a meme-powered ecosystem. So I guess they are going to be on Ethereum as well, but for now it looks like the only smart contract on CoinMarketCap is the Binance Smart Chain one. They might be talking about that their NFTs are on Ethereum, but the way they worded that sounds like they're going to have a cross-chain token. We wish you good luck in the year of the... Oh, so it's the year of the rabbit. So I didn't know that. I mean, that makes more sense. Chinese New Year's upon us. Maybe I did know that, actually. I think I just forgot. I think I heard that 2 days ago or something. But yeah, it's the year of the rabbit this year for Chinese New Year. And so, yeah, that's, obviously where Elon Musk's tweet came from and then why all these Rabbit tokens are coming out. I just assumed that they were coming out for some reason based off his tweet, but it's also, some of them probably did, but then some of them are coming out because it is the year of the rabbit in Chinese New Year. And I hope that the cryptocurrency space will be buzzing with activity. So marketing and promotion, we have a marketing team and experienced marketers and good network of SNS influencers. The Chinese zodiac for 2023 is the rabbit. Are you ready? And then they have a picture of Elon Musk's face. So yeah, it's both of these ideas here, Chinese New Year and Elon, are pumping these rabbit coins right now. Who controls the memes controls the universe. May the year of the rabbit in 2023 bring excitement to the cryptocurrency space. Happy NFTs are also available for sale. Elon and celebrities celebrate the Chinese zodiac every year. 2023 is the year of the rabbit, and Elon and celebrities will tweet about us. So then there's a bunch of different tweets here from Elon talking about Chinese New Year's. So he did one about tiger. It looks like one about an ox or a bull there, and one maybe that's another tiger one right there. But yeah, a couple different tweets. And so the tokenomics, there is taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 5% because there is 5% tax. 2% goes to marketing wallet, 2% development wallet, and 1% liquidity. So it is cross-chain because I just saw on their page here they do have an Ethereum contract address as well. I'm not sure if it's available yet. It is highlighted in green for some reason, and all the other print is in black. So either it's coming soon or it is available. But they are going to be cross-chain, it looks like here. Then they have their socials listed on here, Telegram, Twitter. They have a link to Uniswap, so yeah, it looks like it is going to be available. And they also have their PancakeSwap link, and they have a PooCoin chart on here, but you're not really going to need the PooCoin chart now that it's available on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I personally prefer both of those charts over the PooCoin chart. Now they have their own swap here. It's just basically like a PancakeSwap on their webpage, RABBIT2023, so you can do swapping right off their page. And the roadmap is on here, starting in November 2022 with website completed, launch on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, both are launched already. Spread through SNS, make it to the top 10 trending coins. December 2022, Rabbit Museum in the Metaverse. So that's coming soon. And then push marketing. And then 2023, January, Elon's first tweet is what they're banking on. Celebrity tweets for the Happy New Year. NFT sales for the rabbits in the Good Luck Metaverse. And then February, Happy Chinese New Year. Elon, Musk, SpaceX, and many celebrities will be tweeting to the moon. So this whole project is just basically based off NFTs and hopefully celebrities and Elon tweeting about Rabbit Chinese New Year, and then their token will pump, hopefully is what they're thinking. Check this token out, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.